Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to airdrop your contact from one iPhone to the other. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to make sure that your Bluetooth and your airdrop is open. So open your control panel like this. Then click on your Bluetooth and make sure it's blue, and make sure your contacts airdrop is also everyone for 10 minutes. After this, you can go to your phone application and click on the phone application. After that, you can go to your contacts button and click on a contact that you want to share via airdrop. Then go all the way down and click on share contact and done. Then there comes an option of airdrop, so click on airdrop and your other iPhone will come in this page or send copy with airdrop. So this is how you transport contact using airdrop. I hope this video was helpful. It's me Elise signing off. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, leave it on the comment box below and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Peace out.